All right, y'all. Today we back up here in the garden. It'd be nice if I rolled out the cord on the right side. Give me a second. Goodness gracious. Let's try this again. What's going on, y'all? Today, back up in the garden, and I'm about to prepare these beds. Normally I'll put landscape fabric for the pathways, but I'm not doing that this time. I'm gonna put landscape fabric on the actual bed. So where you see these sticks, this is the bed, this is the bed, and it'll come together. I'll show y'all at the end what it's gonna look like. But yeah, so we're just gonna till up the beds today. I'm gonna just put the rest of that compost down on the bottom once I till it up and move everything pretty much like I did my other bed. Let's get to it. I'm gonna trim it up first though. Till up these beds and get this stuff ready to go. All right, so that's how I do the beds. 2 rows. It might be like 10 or 12 plants, but that's how I'm gonna do the tomato bed as well. So put the compost on the bottom, mound it up, then I'm gonna cover it with landscape fabric. Not today, I just wanna show you how I prepare the beds, but that's what's going right here. We're gonna come back when I'm done tilling everything. Then I'll show you where I'm gonna plant what. Got one more bed to do. That's gonna be the cucumber bed, and then I'm gonna show y'all where everything's going. Son. So I'm done tilling all the beds. Now I'm gonna grab some of the compost, throw it on the bottom, and cover them back up, and then we're done. All right, so I put the compost on the bottom of all the single beds, not these yet. I'm gonna do that some other time. Just wanted to show y'all the layout. I'm about to be done for the day. This is gonna be the tomato beds. So we got 2 beds that are pretty much 12 feet. Both of these are 12 feet, so we're looking at 10 to 12 tomato plants with each row like 5 and 5 or 6 and 6, you know. And this bed right here, 15 feet, is gonna be cucumbers. So we're gonna put cucumbers right here. And then this bed right here is gonna be zucchini first. This is 12 feet. It's gonna be zucchini first, and then we're gonna put beans after the zucchini, right? This bed is 15 feet. This is gonna be the okra. So we're gonna put okra here. We're gonna put a new walkway, okra. We're gonna put a garden fence around this whole thing. And then above the cucumbers, we're gonna put more zinnias and marigolds. Good job. Say hi. But that's the garden layout. Appreciate you guys for tuning in to this one. The next video up here, we're gonna put the landscape fabric and plant the next one.